Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Advapi32.Dll file is missing on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up a web browser of our choice. And you want to go search for Advapi32.Dll download. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be from a website that says dll/files.com. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to go down and select the download option near the top. Get the correct version. So if you're running a 64-bit version of Windows, you'll do the 64-bit download. And go ahead and select download. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and click the little up arrow and select show in folder. You can minimize or close out the web browser. And double click on this compressed folder here. Drag the DLL file over to your desktop, and now select this PC on the left side, double click on your local disk, double click on Windows, and then locate System32. Drop the DLL file directly into the System32 folder, and then you would give administrator permissions to put it in. I already have the file in here, so it's not going to let me do it, but you just would go ahead and give administrator permissions, and then you would drop it in. And then once you're done, you would go ahead and restart your computer. You could also delete the file if there's still a file left on your desktop as well. If it made a copy, of course. So go ahead and just let the system restart. And there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do a pleasure to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.